Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon so you get always notification of my upcoming videos. Guys, today I will tell you the most top 10 powerful passport in the world. When taking coronavirus-related border closures into account, a German passport is currently the most powerful passport in the world, with visa-free or visa upon arrival access to 134 destinations. This makes it the strongest in the world, according to Art and Capital's Passport Index, a ranking of the world's passports in order of the number of destinations their holders can access without obtaining a visa prior to arrival. Unlike the Henley Passport Index, which placed Japan's passport at the top of its 2021 rankings for the third consecutive year on January 5th, Art and Capital's Passport Index updates its rankings in real time as new visa waivers and changes are implemented, showing the current effect COVID-19 travel bans have on global mobility right now. Sweden, Finland, Spain, and New Zealand follow closely behind Germany in joint second place with visa-free access to 133 destinations currently. Denmark, Norway, and Switzerland tie for third place with access to 132 destinations each. With current COVID-19 travel restrictions in place, the United States doesn't make an appearance until 19th on the list, with visa-free access to just 103 destinations currently. Afghanistan and Iraq are currently at the bottom of the rankings at 78th place with access to only 30 destinations. Syria and Somalia ranked only slightly higher with each providing access to 33 destinations. 2021 strongest passports in the world, according to the Passport Index by Art and Capital. After taking into account COVID-19 travel restrictions, 2021's most powerful passports in the world are: Number 10 Bulgaria, 125 destinations. Number 9 Croatia, Romania 126 destinations. Number 8 Cyprus, Liechtenstein, 127 destinations. Number 7 Malta, Slovakia, Australia, 128 destinations. Number 6 Slovenia, Czech Republic, Estonia, Latvia, Iceland, 129 destinations. Number 5 Belgium, Poland, Lithuania, Hungary, Japan, South Korea, 130 destinations. Number 4 Netherlands, France, Portugal, Austria, Luxembourg, Italy, Greece, Ireland, United Kingdom, 131 destinations. Number 3 Denmark, Norway, Switzerland, 132 destinations. Number 2 Sweden, Finland, Spain, New Zealand 133 destinations. Number 1 Germany, 134 destinations. Guys, I hope you liked this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video. Thank you.